Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be talking about the new monetization policies that are severely going to affect small YouTubers and what you need to do next. So be sure to stay tuned. This is going to be really important.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Ray from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And YouTube released a statement yesterday, which is an update to their monetization policy. And if you've been grinding to get your channel monetized over the past year or something like that, then this is moving the goalpost a little bit further out for you. So, you know, let's get into what's actually going on. Then I'll be talking about what you need to do moving forward in order to be successful on YouTube with your channel, if that is what you want to do. So let's get into it, because you know, the smaller YouTubers, they need love. They need the love, because this is a bit mad still. So basically, how it used to be, this article will also be in the link in the description if you guys want to read along and read the whole thing yourself. I'm not going to go over all of it, but I will go over the most important parts. So it used to be you needed to get 10,000 lifetime views on your channel in order to monetize it with ads, and that is going to change in February. On February the 20th, they're going to implement a new threshold, and that will be, you will need to have 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Now, honestly, to get to 1,000 subscribers and to get to 4,000 hours of watch time, it's not easy, but it's not hard. It's very simple if you know what you're doing. If you use effective SEO and you've got a content plan and you're very intentional about what you're doing on YouTube, you can do it in, you know, in probably less time than some of you are doing it now, because some of you are probably just flinging up videos and hoping for the best, which is, you know, you can do that, but you should do that with strategy. And I highly suggest you check out my videos on SEO, my videos on content planning. I've also got SEO for Noobs checklist in the description below, and my content plan template. I think those two things will help you guys extremely, as well as my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, how to grow your YouTube gaming channel and turn it into a business. That will be out in March. I'll also include a link to that below when the pre-order is available or when the book is out. So definitely check that out if you're a gaming YouTuber or you're a small YouTuber and you want to actually make money from your channel without waiting for this, then that's going to be for you. But let's get into how this is going to be rolled out. So on February 20th, they're going to be implementing this threshold across all channels, but they're going to allow for a 30-day period. So like from now until February 20th. But on that date, channels with fewer than 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours will no longer be able to earn money from YouTube. So even if you got to 10,000 views, you was like, yes, finally I can make money from these ads. Yeah, they're gonna be like, yoink, yoink, give me that. So yeah, if you got the 10,000 views, you need to check to see if you got the watch hours, and you'll know if you got the subscribers, and I'll show you how to do that after. So they're saying that they're doing this in order to protect the rest of the people and make sure that, you know, channels are in line with the policy and this doesn't hurt everyone else and all that sort of shit. And that's their justification behind it, which is fair enough. I'm not really gonna sit here and debate whether that's correct or incorrect at this point. But they're saying that 99% of those channels affected were making less than $100 per in the year last year, with 90% earning less than $2.50 in the last month. That's fair enough. That's a fair point. Like, when I started out on YouTube and I wasn't getting that many views and all that sort of stuff, I wasn't making a lot of money on YouTube. I would make like £20 a month or something from YouTube AdSense. But £20 a month is still £20 a month when you're poor and you're trying to make YouTube videos and you're trying to, you know, find other avenues to create income. So you know, they don't need to, you don't have the right to advertise on your videos, so you're not entitled to that. They don't need to give that to you. So I understand that. I'm not sitting around here being salty, and you guys shouldn't either, because if you sit around being salty, then you're not going to progress forward. You're not going to actually do what you need to do in order to be successful. You're just going to sit around feeling sorry for yourself, and nothing's going to change. So let's see if there's any more. No, that's basically what it is. That's basically what's the situation right about now. I'm going to show you how to find out how many watch hours you have, because when you go to your YouTube analytics, it actually shows you in watch time. So let me quickly just show you the formula to do that. Obviously, go to your Google Analytics, go to your watch time. I'm hoping you guys know how to do that already. Let me quickly go to my YouTube analytics to show you how it's done. So if you go to your analytics and you go down here, you'll be able to see the watch time. The watch time will be in minutes. So let's say 430,000 minutes. What you want to do is type into Google 430,000 divided by 60, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And then I have 7,166 watch time hours in the past 30 days. So that's my channel. Oh no, past 15 days. So that's my channel. What you want to do is you want to, instead of going to this month, go to this year and add that value up. That will show you all your watch minutes over the year, and you'll be able to see how many watch hours you actually have. Now there's a few things you guys need to do past, you know, receiving this information, and I've tried to talk about it on my channel before. I've tried to give you guys the tools to implement this sort of stuff. I highly suggest you check out my my YouTube tip playlist. Like, I've forgotten what it's called now. I think, yeah, my YouTube tip playlist. There's a lot of YouTube guides, YouTube tips in there that will help you grow your channel and help you make more money from your channel. Definitely go and check that out. But you need to build a business. You need to build a business if you want to make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. You cannot be sitting around relying on AdSense anymore. AdSense is something that's like, you know, it's nice if you get it. Like, it's an addition to what you should be focusing on. When you come on YouTube, the best way to start making money as a small YouTuber is to build a business, sell a product, sell a service. If you know how to do anything, try to sell that. Sell t-shirts, sell whatever. Like, you'll make more money doing that than you ever, well, no, that not than you ever will, but more money than you'll make than if you just focused on trying to get AdSense money, because that money, it's like, it's just low dollars per CPM. You got to get thousands of views. But if you sell a product and you get like 200 views and one person wants to buy that product, you're making more money than you would if you got 1,000 views, because, you know, the AdSense on that is not great. So start thinking about other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And I have done videos on this. I've done a whole live stream on how to monetize your YouTube gaming channel. And I talked about, you know, sponsorships, donations. I did talk about AdSense, affiliate marketing, merchandise. I talked about a variety of things. And also in my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, I have gone over these things in depth. And I've also given you guys a bunch of information and strategies in order to grow your channel. So definitely check that out, especially if you're a YouTube gaming channel. That book should be out in March. But yeah, you gotta start looking at your YouTube channel as a business. If you're in this to get ad money, then you're gonna be extremely disappointed. You're gonna be waiting a very long time, especially with these new restrictions. And I understand how this can be demotivating for new YouTubers who are like, you know what, I just got grinding to nearly 10,000 views. I got 9,000 views, and now like they're pushing it back even further. Forget about the AdSense. Forget about it. Do not live your YouTube life thinking I gotta earn AdSense. That is the worst way to earn. Like, there are some big YouTubers, yeah, that make a lot of money off AdSense, but most fucking people, yeah, most people on this platform, especially if you're starting from the ground up, you're not going to make a lot of money with AdSense. It's just not going to happen. You're better off trying to make money from other avenues and actually learning how to build a business. It's so important. So important. So important. I'm going to link to a bunch of channels that will help you out with this sort of stuff down below. So be sure to check out the description, because I really want you guys to change your mindset in the way you're approaching YouTube. Change it from, I want to get this, I need to make videos that get a bunch of views to get ad money, into I need to build a sustainable business around my YouTube channel, because things will be much better for you, trust me. Now, I also suggest getting TubeBuddy ASAP. Go to tubebuddy.com/JCarterRay. Download that. It's free. You can buy the actual membership for it. I do highly suggest you do that, because it will save you a lot of time, especially if you're going hard on this YouTube thing like I am, and you really should be if you really want this. But go and get that. Download my SEO for Noobs checklist. That will be in the description below. If my pre-order link is up for the book, then you can download the chapter on SEO from my book. Link will be down below, and that combined with the TubeBuddy plugin, you're going to see a lot of changes, especially if you don't know about SEO already. That is going to help you out a lot. In the meantime, you can check out my videos on SEO. Those will probably help you out a lot as well. But I'm going to be linking down to a lot of different YouTubers that I think you really should watch, as they will help you get into the mindset and learn about things that will help you grow your YouTube channel and turn it into a business. I'm going to be linking to Roberta Blake, Tim Schmoyer, Video Creators, Daryl Eves. I'm unsure if Seth Godin has a YouTube channel, but he's a very interesting marketer that I researched back in 2013 when I needed to research marketing and sales and all that sort of stuff. And Gary Vaynerchuk. I think these YouTube channels, or maybe I'll put in Seth Godin's blog, because I don't know if he does videos, will really help you. And there's a wealth of knowledge out there. There's so much knowledge for free. There is so much knowledge for free. Obviously, it will take time and dedication for you to learn things if you want to go the free route, because you'll have to be there researching it yourself. There are courses, there are books, there are a bunch of resources out there that you can go and grab right now that will help you grow your YouTube channel and help you turn it into a business. Personally, my book teaches you how to do it in one concise format, especially if you're starting out. But you can pretty much find all the information from, you know, different pieces and all that sort of stuff out there if you're really dedicated and you really, you know, you're willing to put the time in, like I was when I learned all this stuff. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I hope that you guys don't sit around and be, you know, super upset and moan and be sorry for yourself about this. That is not the way to go. You need to just accept it, because you can't control it. You don't own YouTube. Like, what other platform lets you earn ad money? Facebook doesn't do it, Twitter doesn't do it, Reddit doesn't do it. If you really want to earn money from your content, go to Steemit, very good site, steemit.com, and go at JCarterRay. You can see what kind of money I've been making. I'll leave the link in the description as well. But no other site, basically, like no other big social media site, gives you the opportunity to earn AdSense. YouTube's the only one there, and you got to remember, you are not entitled to it. You do not deserve ads. You do not deserve anything. You don't deserve shit on this platform. If you get it, then it's lovely, but focus on building your own business so you don't have to worry about when YouTube gets rid of your monetization or says, you know what, that video isn't suitable for ads. Don't worry about that. Focus on building your own thing that you can control, because it is so important, and I really want to push you guys towards that mindset, you know, that way of thinking, that way of acting with your YouTube channel, because I know that a lot of newer YouTubers are going to be extremely demotivated by this. A lot of smaller YouTubers that have been on the platform for a little while, they're probably going to be extremely demotivated by this. But I just want you guys to believe, and I want you guys to know that you got to just keep going on. You got to keep going on. You got to adapt. You got to pivot. You got to think about different ways to monetize your channel. You got to think outside the box. and I hope to see you on the other side, man. I hope to see you on the other side. I've got a lot of free resources in the description. Be sure to go over there or go to growonyoutube.com. You can go to my free downloads page. There's a bunch of shit over there. Let me quickly check that out. We got the SEO for noobs checklist. We got the free content plan template. We got 3 ways to use a podcast to build your personal brand. We got the review pitch email template if you want to get games to review on your channel, but this can also work for other types of things that you want to review. And we got the free end screen graphic template, which is very similar to the end screen that you can see after this video. And I also offer one-on-one consulting coaching sessions. If you want help turning your channel into a business, then you can come and work with me and I'll show you how to do that specifically for your channel. But yeah, the book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, is going to be very, very helpful to you guys, especially smaller YouTubers who are just starting out, because, you know, you're going to have even less of an opportunity to make money on YouTube. So you really need to think outside of the box right about now. And if you go to growonyoutube.com/guide, then that book, you'll be able to get it, and you'll be able to get a free chapter or pre-order it. But it's not there yet. So I'm gonna put the link in the description when it's there. But just know. But for the time being, if you want to be notified when it comes out, then I guess just get one of these free downloads or comment down below and I'll let you know. I'll try to get back to everyone depending on how much exposure this video gets, because usually when I do YouTube tip videos, most people don't do the research. Most YouTubers don't do research into YouTube to learn about how to grow and all that sort of stuff. They just fling stuff up, and you know, nothing happens for like 7 years until they realize what actually works. And you know, that was like me as well. When I started, I didn't know much. I just flung stuff up and then nothing happened, and then I learned what worked and I started putting it in. And then I started researching and learning how to better optimize my channel and to grow it and to turn it into a business and things like that. It's a long process, but it's necessary. And I hope this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to try to put out a bunch more YouTube growth tutorials, you know, tips around YouTube and that sort of stuff in a few weeks and that. Because I think it's so much more necessary now. It's so much more necessary with these new changes. I think, like, if you guys want it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys got any other tutorials that you want me to make, leave that down in the comment section below as well. And, you know, let me know how you're dealing with this situation. Let me know how it's affecting you. That was my alarm, sorry. And get involved in the conversation. But remember, don't sit around feeling sorry for yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that. You gotta just take this on the chin and adapt and move forward. It's the best way, trust me. And I hope that at least 2 people watching this listen to my words and actually move forward in that direction, because it makes a difference, trust me. Before you go, I want to let you know that you can download your free SEO for Noobs checklist by clicking on the link in the description or clicking in the top right on that card. And this free SEO for Noobs checklist will help you rank your videos on YouTube, getting more views, more subscribers, and helping your channel in the future. So definitely grab that ASAP. Let's get working. Let's start to be better.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.